Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. The issue arises when using .NET 9 and trying to utilize the codeString.Join method within a code select code statement for encode iqueryable code. This results in an error stating, expression tree cannot contain value of ref struct or restricted type, read-only spanda. Quite a tricky problem, right? But fret not, a solution is just around the corner. Now, onto the solution. To work around this pesky error, you can explicitly specify the array overload variant when using codeString.Joincode. By tweaking the code to utilize code new x.customeridentity.customer.name, x.customeridentity, customer, type, x.customeridentity.customer.nationality.name code within codeString.Joincode, you can bypass the error and get your desired results. What a problem solved. In summary, we tackle the common issue encountered when upgrading to .NET 9 that involves using codeString.Joincode within a code select code statement for encode iqueryable code. By explicitly specifying the array overload variant, you can smoothly resolve the error and continue with your development tasks. And with that, I bid you adieu. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on the video.